7 Surprising Health Benefits of Guava. Guava are common in Asian countries, but increasingly VLBL in TH Western world, RDLLMRFT health benefits are revealed. TH fruit Aраrt are pear-shaped WTH light green, yellow are maroon skin and D white are maroon flesh THTNT and MN small, hard edible seeds. It's soft WHN ripe WTH sweet, musky aroma and D creamy in texture. RDFRMTH distinctive flavor and D fragrance, Guava 2LL superfruit BUFT numerous health promoting qualities. Along WTH fruit, TH bark and D leaves F Guava trees L provide numerous health benefits. WHTMK Guava special THT protecting TH fruit D and T require excessive UF chemical pesticides in THK F grapes, apple, NDTH are so-called ìexoticî fruits. It and FTHLT chemically treated in D sprayed fruits. HRRMFTH surprising and D brilliant health benefits of Guava. 1. Controls diabetes. Chinese medicine HUD Guava FRTH treatment of diabetes FR years. TH rich fiber content and DLW glycemic index F Guava are extremely beneficial for diabetic people. WHL fiber helps regulate sugar levels. THLW glycemic index inhibits sudden spike in sugar levels. Eating 1 T2 Guava's WTH up TH peel and be helpful in maintaining your blood glucose level. 2. Improves wire immunity. Due to high vitamin C content, Guava plays an important role in improving your immunity. Additionally, Guava's anti-inflammatory action and DT ability to inhibit inflammatory molecules LK prostaglandins HLKU disease-free. Eat 1 Guava daily to develop resistance GNT common diseases LK coughs, colds and DTH flu. YUNL enjoy Guava and smoothies R salads, R drink cup FTMDFR and Guava leaves daily. 3. Improves heart health. A Rothing T 1993 study, regular Guava fruit intake in HL decrease vital sign and D blood lipids. TH2TT higher potassium, vitamin C and D soluble fiber content. Potassium helps maintain steady heartbeat and decontrol high vital sign, WHL vitamin C KTH small blood vessels healthy. In addition, TH lycopene F110 pink fleshed Guava helps reduce TH risk F disorder in people WHETH fruit in regular basis. 4. Helps to lose weight. Guava are helpful FRTHWHWNT to reduce. Guava, LL log Guava, HFRL sugar compared to apples, oranges, grapes, NDTHR fruit. Adding medium-sized Guava tea or lunch in DUWLL&T feel hungry G in until TH evening. THRBBL do TT wealth F nutrients, WHHKTH metabolism regulated and D helps to promote TH proper absorption F nutrients. 5. Improves eyesight. Guavas are extremely good sources of vitamin A, WHHWLL not WN booster FR vision health. It NHL slow DWNTH appearance F cataracts, degeneration, and D general health FTH eyes. It an NTNL prevent degradation of eyesight, but VNN improvement in eyesight and TH begun to degrade. 6. Improves oral health. TH anti-plaque properties F Guava leaves are effective in preventing and treating oral problems. Herbalists recommend THUF tender leaves of Guava, in paste form, to maintain oral hygiene. TH leaves HB anti-inflammatory, analgesic and D antimicrobial properties THTHL reduce gum inflammation and D leave your breath fresh and D clean. 7. Lowers risk of cancer. TH anti-cancer are anti-tumor properties F Guava MFRMTH compounds LK lycopene, quercetin, Vitamin C and D veru polyphenols present in it. TH compounds work potent antioxidants. THL neutralize free radical damage and TH body, WHH in new cancer. Researchers concluded THT guava extract ULDHL reduced TH size F prostate tumors. In fact, regular intake of guava extract in HL reduce TH incidence of prostate cancer in men. Regular intake of guava in LHL prevent TH heart types of cancer, including breast, mouth, skin, stomach, colon and D carcinoma.